everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. It is with great sadness to share the news of Her Majesty Queen Mantfombi Dlamini Zulu, Regent of the Zulu Nation's passing. Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi, traditional prime minister to the Zulu monarchy and the nation, confirmed the news on Thursday night. It is with the deepest shock and distress that the royal family announces the unexpected passing of Her Majesty Queen Mantfombi Dlamini Zulu, Regent of the Zulu Nation. The news of her passing comes after she was reportedly not feeling well and admitted to hospital on Tuesday, confirmed the Zulu royal family. Not so long ago, the Queen was appointed as a regent after the passing of the Zulu King Goodwill Zwelithini Kabheka Zulu, pending the installation of the King's successor. The Zulu King passed away on the 12th of March 2021. The late king appointed the Queen Mantfombi to be the one who will appoint the next king after his passing, but unfortunately the Queen passed away before she did that. Last week, Prince Buthelezi said that the late king's siblings were allegedly conducting meetings without the authority of the regent. Guys, I assume there was a lot going on in the family, and we hope her passing was not a result of stress caused by the family members with their opinion of who must be the next king. Buthelezi said on behalf of the royal family, he wished to assure the nation that while they are still grieving, there will be no leadership vacuum in the Zulu nation. Further announcements on Her Majesty's funeral and the necessary arrangements will be made in due course. May Her Majesty our Regent rest in peace. Zulu kamalandela ngokulandela izinkomo zamanye amadoda akuhlanga olungehliyo. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.